Experience the next frontier of financial analysis with Vibe Trading, an AI-driven framework for modern market sentiment detection. Traditional trading is reactive. Market noise drowns out the signal, leading to missed opportunities and suboptimal execution strategies for traders. The market is a sea of information. Twitter, Reddit, news feeds, and financial reports are constantly flooding the ecosystem. Human traders struggle to process this volume. Cognitive bias and fatigue often lead to poor decision-making under pressure. Enter Vibe Trading, a systematic approach to sentiment designed to filter the signal from the noise. Our framework leverages advanced LLM capabilities to synthesize linguistic sentiment, turning social chaos into actionable financial intelligence. How does it work? Let's break down the multi-agent architecture that powers the engine. The framework utilizes a sophisticated multi-agent pipeline, data retrieval, sentiment analysis, and automated trading strategy execution. First, we ingest data. Real-time streams from multiple sources are aggregated into a unified format. Then, the LLM magic happens. We classify sentiment, extract entities, and score the intensity of market discourse. Engineered for precision, the repository integrates LLMs to score sentiment with 95% classification accuracy across complex financial datasets. This isn't just about reading text. It's about quantifying the vibe of the market. We transform qualitative social data into quantitative trading signals. The strategy logic evaluates these signals against your risk parameters. Stop loss, take profit, and position sizing are all handled automatically based on the sentiment confidence score. The result? A trading strategy that never sleeps and never gets emotional. Let's look at the setup process. It's designed for developers and traders who want to get up and running quickly. Setting up is simple. Install dependencies, configure your API keys for LLM access, and deploy the trading logic locally. The codebase is modular, allowing you to swap out LLM providers or add new data sources with ease. We support OpenAI, Anthropic, and local models via Llama. Your choice, your infrastructure. Now, let's compare Vibe Trading against traditional manual analysis methods. Vibe Trading versus manual analysis. One relies on human emotion, the other leverages persistent AI-driven logical consistency. Human traders are susceptible to FOMO and panic. The AI is cold, calculated, and objective. Latency is the enemy. While a human reads a headline, the AI has already executed the trade. Scalability is another key advantage. Monitor 100 assets simultaneously without breaking a sweat. Let's review the performance data. The data speaks for itself. Vibe Trading captures market shifts before the broader retail audience has even reacted. Backtesting results show consistent alpha generation across various market conditions. We've seen a 30% reduction in drawdowns compared to standard trend-following strategies. Our community is growing rapidly, with developers contributing new strategies and integrations daily. Join our Discord to discuss strategies, share backtest results, and collaborate on the roadmap. Security is paramount. Your API keys are encrypted at rest and never leave your local environment. We believe in open source. The entire Vibe Trading framework is available on GitHub for anyone to audit and improve. What's next on the roadmap? Multimodal sentiment analysis, including image and video content. We are also developing a web-based dashboard for real-time portfolio monitoring. Imagine seeing the market sentiment pulse in real time on your phone. The future of finance is intelligent, automated, and accessible. Don't get left behind. Start building your edge today. Installation is a single command away. Join thousands of developers already using Vibe trading to navigate the markets. We offer extensive documentation to help you get started, regardless of your experience level. From setup guides to advanced strategy customization, we've got you covered. We also provide video tutorials for those who learn better visually. Our YouTube channel is packed with deep dives into the codebase. We're constantly updating the framework with new features. Stay tuned for our upcoming release, which includes enhanced sentiment models. Your feedback drives our development. Have a feature request? Open an issue on GitHub. We're building the future of algorithmic finance together. Ready to transform your trading stack? Clone Vibe Trading from GitHub today and start building your intelligent financial edge. Don't just trade. Trade with intelligence. The market is waiting. Are you ready to capture the alpha? Visit our website for more information. Check out our GitHub repository. Join our Discord server. Follow us on Twitter for updates. Thank you for watching. Vibe Trading, your open-source gateway to intelligent, AI-driven market analysis. Join the future of algorithmic finance.